Hello and welcome to the Pipsoclock trading signal analysis, and here we are talking about gold this morning on Thursday the 15th of February 2024. So a very quick one. The signal that we posted yesterday to sell gold at various levels didn't trigger because gold didn't leave the 1990 region. As we can see, currently still around 1991. It's even dropped to 1984 yesterday, Wednesday, but was pushed back a bit. So, but then when you look at the current market structure for gold, this is the weekly chart. You will see that this is still very strongly bullish. Gold is still strongly bullish from all angles, from the price action all the way to the indicators. These are the moving averages. Price is still actively bullish, strongly bullish, right? So that's for the weekly chart. But then let's go to the immediate time where we'll be trading. Let's check the daily chart. For the daily chart, um, it's still bullish though, but price is a bit quiet right now. Looking for what could trigger it. Yesterday there was no news to push gold actually. So let's check the economic calendar and see if we'll be expecting any news today. Today is Thursday, the 15th of February, and from the economic calendar here, you can see that this morning they are all news from the UK, and then by 9, the Lagarde will be speaking. That is the president. Would that have an impact? But in the afternoon, from 2:30, there will be a couple of indicators: the Philadelphia Manufacturing Survey, initial jobless claims, and retail sales. So some of these are inflationary indicators, and they are likely going to create some volatility in the market. So we'll be looking forward to that. That's the time that we really enjoy waiting for. Okay, so based on that, now let's come back. So meaning that today we're expecting some moves, we're expecting some kind of volatility in the market. Now, on the daily chart, yes, though price is below the 50 and 21 period moving averages, but it hasn't gotten to the support of the 200 period moving average, that's the 200-day moving average, right? And yesterday also it formed a doji, right? It formed a doji, it's a doji, right? And it's a southern doji, but anything can happen here. It could go further down or it could go up. But whichever way, let's go to the lower time frames where we'll be trading and see what we can see. So if you look at here on the 4 hours time frame, everything is still very, very, very bearish. And on the daily time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, the same. So we are going to be looking at what to expect. So for me, we would expect that price will find a way because currently it's trading above the daily pivot points. Daily pivot point here is at 90.78 and price at 1991. So apparently I'm expecting price to rise from here. Who knows whether it will wait all the way to 2:30 p.m. GMT plus 1 to do that, or whether it will do it in the interim. Whatever, um, perhaps some could decide to begin to scalp and keep until the news that will drive volatility. It may happen before then, it may happen during that period that will drive volatility comes. And when that comes, personally, I'll be expecting us to make some entry around here. So let's look at around this zone. This is a sell zone. So if price reaches here, there's a confluence here between the 50 period moving average and the daily resistance level 3 at 2009.34. So around that area, we will want to sell. So just check out the signals on the screen. So if we find a good price action around here, though we are going to be using pending orders, so just like what you're seeing on the screen, there is going to be sell limit for us. If we find any reason to buy in between time, we may drop it on the Telegram channel. So you want to check our Telegram channel, click on the link in the description to join our Telegram channel. Okay, and then so check the description also for these entry levels. So if we find a good price action here, in our case, is price that we're expecting to get here to trigger our entry. Okay, our stop loss should be somewhere above here. All right, and then our take profit should be here. First TP should be around here. Maybe we'll just pick 20 pips first. Okay, before we now take the second one around 2002, and then all the way down to 1997, 1994, 1990, and then we'll come to 1984 before we get down to 78, 73, and finally 1954. Well, hope that's all that happens, but then anything is possible in the market, but we'll just keep our fingers crossed. So as soon as it picks and gives you 20 pips, 30, 40, 50 pips, lock your profits and then set a break even and watch what unfolds, whether it will continue or whether it will, decide to change mind. The beautiful thing about trading gold is even when it wants to change direction, it will still give you the opportunity to pick 20, 30 pips before anything really happens. So I believe we can take good profits from gold today. From all of us at Pipsoclock, we want to wish you a very profitable trading day. So trade to win.